Okay, real quickly, here's a diagram that depicts the situation. Here's your airport. Here's Dayton, 45 miles due north of the airport. And here's Rockport, 28 miles due east of the airport. So this is a right angle. You can use the Pythagorean Theorem. The square of the hypotnus is equal to the sum of the squares of the legs in a right triangle. So to get D, you have to take the square root of both sides. Normally, if you were solving this equation, you'd say plus or minus the square root. But since we're dealing with a distance, we won't consider the negative. So what do you get when you take the square root of 45 squared plus 28 squared? I know the answer. You should do it on a calculator. If you get an integer for an answer, it better be bigger than 45. Well, the answer better be bigger than 45. But if you do get an integer, then these three numbers, 28, 45, and if this is an integer, then those three numbers form what's called a Pythagorean triple. And I'll give you a clue. You do get an integer. So you do have a Pythagorean triple. The most common Pythagorean triple is 3, 4, 5, because 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25. Sum of the squares of the legs equals the square of the hypotnuse, and they're all integers, whole numbers. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.